Hello, Greg here, Kiwi Wanderers. Hey, now, do you know what this means? When your handbrake lever goes up that far, I mean, it's almost at the end of its clicks. It could mean your brakes need adjusting. As with most mechanical things, there's about 20 different things it could be, but the most likely is your brakes need adjusting, and I'll show you how to do it in this video. Okay, right, so here we are. We're going to adjust the brakes on our Alco brakes, which are fitted to most caravans. These are 12-inch Alco electric brakes, which most Australian caravans definitely. And we don't need too many tools. We need a special brake screwdriver. Well, it used to be a normal screwdriver, and I've just given it a little bit of a modification. Don't normally carry it in my pocket, but you never know when you might need to adjust your brakes. So anyway, I'm prepared. The other thing you're going to need is some way of lifting the vehicle. Obviously it comes with a jack. You can jack it up. We have the Boss stabilizer legs, so that makes this whole job quite easy. Just zip zip, and it's up in the air. Very, very important, as you'll see, to chock the wheels that you're not adjusting, because for this job you've got the handbrake off, so you don't want the whole job sort of buggering off on you. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how the brakes work, and then I'm going to crawl under there. Yes, I know, crawl under there, and hopefully show you how to adjust the brakes. Relatively easy job, and I think most DIY people would be able to handle it no trouble at all. The brake adjustment's also done at a caravan service, you know, like they would adjust it every service. I'm not entirely sure why our brakes are out of adjustment, because we did have a service, oh no, it would be a year ago now, so yeah, it's probably due. So how does an electric brake work? Well, I should have a diagram here that'll show you, but basically there is an electromagnet that is inside the brake drum. The tow vehicle sends power to the electric magnet, makes it magnetic. It tries to attract itself to the brake drum, and the brake drum's rotating, so the magnet gets moved. Series of linkages and things these linkages expand the brake shoes out. The more power that the tow vehicle sends, the more magnetic force, the further the magnet moves, the harder the brake drums, the harder the brake shoes go out onto the brake drum. So that's basically how it works. So another reason that your brakes, well, another thing that could decide that your brakes need adjusting is if you're having to up the gain on the tow vehicle, you know, to get satisfactory braking. That's possibly an indication that the brakes need adjusting. Okie dokie. First off, get these little covers off. So they have two holes in the backing plate here, so they can use the same backing plate on the left hand and the right hand side. So on my caravan, the adjuster is in the front hole on the left hand side. Yeah, so we can see that the wheel can spin quite easily, making sure that the handbrake is off, loose. The handbrake cable needs to be very loose. Right, and then as we saw in the diagram, there's a little thing with teeth on it, and the idea is to move the teeth clockwise. Now Alco says you move the teeth clockwise until the wheel won't spin, and then you back it off till it can spin for at least 3/4 of a turn. There we go. I've adjusted the brakes on the front axle, and of course the handbrake only works on the front axle in this caravan. And look now, Oh my goodness, this is so much better. I've been gained about 4 clicks. Perfect. I will think about buying a proper brake adjusting tool for next time, because this was a little bit cumbersome, to be fair. Looks good, but not so much. So I'll put a link to a good brake tool below. Righto, there you go. Brakes all adjusted. Happy with that. And yeah, hope you got something out of this video. Catch you out there.